Hello everyone, this is a video short for binary search tree deletion. So here are the steps to follow when deleting a node from the binary search tree. First, we'll find out how many children the node to be deleted has. Then we'll replace the node based on the number of children. So if the node has two children, then we can replace the right child with the node. If the node has one child, then we can replace the child with the node. If the node has no child, then we can just delete the node. So let's take a look at an example to delete the node 60 from the following binary search tree. So first we'll take a look at the node 60 and we can see that it has one left child 45. So we can just replace 45 with 60. So here's what it would look like after swapping. So as we can see, we swapped the node 45 and 60. So now we can easily delete the node 60 from the following binary search tree. So this is what the tree would look like after deleting the node 60. Thank you for watching.